In 1901, sponge divers off a tiny Greek island found a corroded lump of bronze in a shipwreck. It sat in a museum drawer for decades. Nobody guessed they were looking at the world's oldest known analog computer, built 2,000 years before anyone thought such a machine could exist. For half a century, scholars assumed the fragments were misplaced relics from a later era. Precision gearwork was not supposed to exist in the ancient Mediterranean. Greek engineering meant aqueducts and catapults, not interlocking bronze wheels fine enough to compute the heavens. The object contradicted every assumption about what the ancient world could build. In the 1950s, a physicist named Derek de Solla Price recognized the device was a mechanical computer. But the real breakthroughs came decades later. In 2006, an international team used high-resolution X-ray tomography to peer inside the corrosion. They found at least 30 bronze gears, some with teeth barely 2 millimeters long. Inscriptions buried in the metal revealed the mechanism's purpose. It tracked a 19-year lunar cycle. It predicted eclipses through an 18-year pattern known as the Saros. And one dial displayed the 4-year rhythm of the ancient Olympic Games. Later research reconstructed the front face as a complete mechanical cosmos. Pointers for the sun, the moon, and the 5 classical planets all moved in correct astronomical relation to one another. The Antikythera Mechanism was a universe you could hold in your hands. Turn a single crank, and the entire sky moved forward or backward in precise mathematical time. It was not a toy or a decoration. It was a statement of conviction, cast in bronze, that the cosmos follows rules and those rules can be encoded in metal. What makes the device unsettling is what happened next. The technological tradition behind it left no descendants. For more than 1,000 years, nothing in Europe matched this level of precision. The knowledge did not spread. It did not improve. It simply disappeared, along with the workshops, the tools, and the astronomers who built it. This was not a failure of intelligence. It was a failure of transmission. The Antikythera Mechanism survived by accident, sealed in a shipwreck for 2,000 years. Nearly everything else those hands crafted is gone forever. Think about the knowledge your own world depends on. The systems, the machines, the quiet expertise that holds daily life together. None of it is guaranteed to persist. The Greeks built a working model of the cosmos and then forgot how. That is not a story about ancient people. It is a story about how fragile knowledge has always been.